Hello. Welcome to part 1 of renovating our Soviet Union abandoned apartment. And in this video we are going to get started and ripping the living room and the hallway and preparing it to be painted. We are going to go room by room, and the room we're starting with is the biggest one, the living room. This one actually looks like the easiest one because the wallpaper wants to fall off on its own. So we are just going to move the fridge out of the way and start ripping. The walls behind, they are definitely not smooth. We are not trying to get them more smooth. We are probably just going to paint over it. The only thing we will fix is like chisels like this, just quickly with a bit of plaster over all the holes. And the ceiling, the same thing. There's a bit of fallen off plaster. We're just going to fix that up a bit and then just paint coat over it. A few coats of paint should do it. Maybe this will be a bit harder to hide, this one here. So we might need to go 3 layers, but it's easier than plastering all the wall and making it all beautiful. So let's get started and rip the things off. It's going to be exciting, I think. Maybe not. I don't know. How will this wallpaper come off? Will it be like this? Or will it be stuck on?
That's why the reason why we're starting this room is because David is itching to rip it.
Wants to come
He's like, let me rip it.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead then.
Okay,
go. Just take that one piece. It's really been bothering me.
Oh, it's 2. Okay. Separate it.
Why was that noise so satisfying?
It's like peeling off a sticker from your new phone. It's kind of what it is, isn't it?
Did you ask your brother if we're allowed to remove this? Maybe
Yes.
he wanted it. Oh, love it.
Don't you rip.
Oh, I like how that came off the corner there. That was... By the way, do we...
Whoever stick these wallpapers should not be allowed to stick wallpapers. I think they're not supposed to come off that easily, but I thank them. Thank them with everything, because bare walls
Can I ask a
are
question?
nice to see.
Do we need to announce to someone that we are doing renovation?
No, basic renovation like this, legally we're okay.
If we start jackhammering, which we will not?
Yeah, no, we're not doing anything that would
Loud.
require permissions.
Okay, yet.
I'm not sure about window changing, but it just fell out and needed a quick repair, so didn't have time.
Okay, well that's not what we're doing now, so.
Are we going into the balcony area,
No, we're
or
just
is this
like
allowed?
doing like this thing.
Look at the dirt and filth we're removing.
And David came without gloves.
Yes, I forgot the gloves. Ah, you can see the old wallpaper that was used to be here. I guess that stuff also fell off easily. All the easy things, and then we go with this tool to undo the more harder things. Bending like crazy.
I knew it's coming for me.
Like a guillotine.
Wow. That is satisfying.
Okay,
Okay, that is easy.
I'm happy, because I was scared.
Yeah,
Is this the glue?
I guess. I mean, it's been sitting for 4 years,
I don't think
abandoned.
that's the glue, I think the glue is on the...
I mean, it has been sitting abandoned for 4 years.
Yeah, I guess.
Moisture,
and then when
cold.
it was put on was probably 20 years ago, if
So.
not 30.
I guess.
This
That's-
could be from the 90s now.
That's good for us. If every room comes off like that,
We're gonna be fast.
we're gonna be done in no time. So loud.
For plaster, for just wallpaper.
Honestly, for being abandoned for 4 years, it has less spider webs than our house.
It hasn't.
It has like, did someone?
I think those two spiders living here. That's about
It's
it.
like literally our house has more spider webs in like 1 month.
Because the spiders can come in through everywhere, and this is just
I
a
guess
block.
that is a good thing of
Concrete
living
block.
in an apartment. Because literally, there's one spider there.
There's no holes for them to enter.
So we have the first piece that is not coming off. Well,
We'll have this one as well.
one turn anyway. Can I ask a question? Is the top like spray painted?
Kind of looks like
It kind of looks like
spray
it's,
painted it, yeah.
doesn't it?
Because of the leaks and stuff, I can tell.
No, because it also kind of like fades, like a spray paint.
Yeah, this is a spray. Yeah. Should we do spray paint?
Why would there be a plug without a...
There's no cable. It's
For beauty?
no. It had a cable here probably. Yeah, here.
I got paid for my work. to something.
So, as you can see, everything is ripped off and cleaned up. We are ready now to get started with the plastering. So, in this video, our goal is to have it plastered and ready for paint. So, we're gonna plaster up all these big giant holes that they have made, many nail holes, but it shouldn't take too long. There's not much big repairs we need to do, just a bit of fix-ups. And we're not gonna spend too much effort making it all perfect. We're just gonna make it flat without any holes. So, let's go downstairs and get our plaster bucket and start plastering up the walls.
Yeah, we are not plastering full on the wall.
Even though it is quite rough and you could plaster these really smooth, this will take a lot of effort and we don't have the time to do this. This will take, weeks
hours,
to do.
Yeah, weeks probably. Yeah.
With the drying of each layer and sandpapering, lots of too messy. We are doing this on budget and also on speedrun mode. So let's just get the plaster and close up all the holes and be ready for paint.
Good that we have a power bank, because otherwise we have no electricity in the apartment, so we would not be able to mix our plaster.
So we are finished with this room. It is ready for paint. We have plastered it. Maybe we need to clean up the plaster, of course, and then maybe plaster again in some places where it's gonna suck in some of the deeper holes. But overall, it is more or less ready for paint. It's definitely not perfect, but it's gonna do the job. And I think with 2 layers of paint, we should combine the colors to be more or less all white. So that should be good, and then you can paint multiple layers of some sort of other toning in future just to get it nicer looking, and also smoothens out. The more paint you put on this, the more smoother it will get on its own as well. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know what you're thinking of the series and what you're expecting to see this turn into. And yeah, we're gonna see you in the next one whenever we move on with whatever we will move on, because we have no plan. We're just jumping in and getting it done. So see you in the next one. Bye bye. Yeah, but it was open, so.